Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question on both sets and inequalities. Now the question says that we're given P such that X is less than or equals to 6 and X is greater than or equals to 1, and Q such that X is greater than 2 and X is less than 10. Now the first thing we want to do is to pick the elements in P. P will be equals to, since X is less than 6, since X is less than or equals to 6 and X is less than or equals to 1, P will be the same thing as 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, if you look at my selection of this item, I have included both 6 and 1. Why? Because I have the equals to. 6 is less than or equals to, 6 is greater than or equals to X, and X is greater than or equals to 1. Now, let's pick for Q. Q now will be equals to, now for Q, 2 is less than X and X is less than 10. Now that will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. In this case, I have omitted both 2 and 10 because there is no equals to symbol in this case. Now we have to pick P intersect Q. That will be the same thing as P intersect Q refers to the elements I have in both P and Q. Here I have 3 and here is 3. I'll go with 3. Here I have 4. Here is 4. 4. Here I have 5 and here is 5. 5. And here I have 6 and here is 6. 6. Now those are all the elements in both P and Q. Then N of P intersect Q will be the number of these elements. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So N of P intersect Q is the same thing as 4. So my answer should be 4. With this, I hope you understood how I went about my inequalities and also my set. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.